Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of the web version of Bumble. Now let's begin. In case you don't know how to log out, well, worry not, we're here to help. As you guys can see, I'm already logged into my account, and right now I simply want to log out. Well, right here at the top left, here's my profile picture right here. I'm simply gonna click on it, then something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of options like activate Spotlight, upgrade to Bumble Boost and everything. Here's settings as well. But right here at the very bottom, you'll see something like Logout. In case you actually want to log out, click on this button right here. It's gonna ask you for your confirmation if you really want to log out. In case you do not want to, hit on cancel, else click on Logout right now. Well guys, that's it. That's how we log out of the web version of Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.